For those of you that wants to join Niki Live, this is how you are going to join Niki Live. You go to your app store, or if you're making use of Android, you go to your Play Store, then type in Niki Live, Niki Live, and you're going to see the Niki Live. So once you see the Niki Live, you're going to tap on install the Niki Live, but I already have it, so I'm going to be opening it. So once you download the Niki Live, all you need to do is just try as much as possible to register. Okay, so what you need to do is register on the app. Then this is where it's going to bring you to this interface, and you're going to see at the down side where it says live, and it says post, and it says club, and it says chat, then it says me. So all you need to do is go to the place where it says me, and you are going to see your account, your tax. Like if you should type on the tax, you are going to see the tax that is being given to you. So if I should bind my email address right now, I'm going to get 20 points. Okay, if I should buy my email address, I'll be getting 20 points. So let's see if it's going to work. So I'll get this Kura 20 points. Okay, and that today's reward is $0.12. You can, so if I should do this, I'm going to be getting $0.12, and I'm going to do it before the day counts down. Okay, so you come to where it says agency. You can join agency. Please, if you want to join the agency, there will be link in the description box where you're going to be joining my agency, and there's also a link in the description box where you can download the Niki app if you want to download through link. Okay, so but my agency link will be on the description box. So when you come here it says chat. You're going to see chat. You're going to see interactions with people, your interactions with people and all that. This is club. Then you can start up a club or join a club. That is why it's most essential for you to join club, like join agency, so that you and your agency will be going live together, and of course people are going to have more fun and people will come here and gift you. So this Niki Live is when you go live, like when you go live right now. If I should tap on this live stuff here, sorry guys, I don't think I'll be going live, my face is somehow. So when you tap on this go live, like as you can see now, when you tap on it, it's going to bring you to this interface, right? It's bringing you to this interface. So you're going to where you see welcome, please be nice. So you can write anything you want to write there, and you can, this place it says 4 seats, 6 seats, 9 seats. You can choose how many seats you want, how many people you want them to be once you go live. So if I should tap on go live, you are going to see that people are going to come to my box. Okay, you can add people to your box, like as you can see here now. We have, this is 1 2 3 4 5 seats. So anybody that joins this live right now is going to anybody that I invite to join this live is going to join the live. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So once you want to leave your live, sorry guys, my face, I have issue. So once you are here, it says end. For me to stay 1 hour here, and I'm going to be getting ending now for fees rewards. For me to stay 1 hour on this place now, I'll be getting $0.10. So I'm going to be closing because I'm using it for stores. So that is it. So when you close it, it's going to show you how many audience you, or your audience, your linked guests and others, how many people joined the platform. So you can tap your host center in order for you to see how it went today's end and all that. As you can see, I've not earned anything today. So that is all about this Niki life. So this is where you can join people's life. You can go to people's life and you join their life. Okay, so when you want to post, you can come here and you see this plus sign. You tap on plus sign, then you can either post from your videos or album. So this one now says daily updates offer, a chance to win $0.1. So if I should post if I should make a post right now, I'm going to be earning $0.1. So Niki life is all about making money. Okay, it's all about making money, and you are going to see people posting, everybody's posting, and they are cashing out from it. Okay, so when you come to you see whole center, you say make more money. So when you come to this whole center, you're going to see where it says they're going to give you how to make more money. Then you start live and you earn money after 1 hour or so. Then you see, if you follow them, you're going to be getting 2,000 coins. If you're going to you can play game and win, then you can join agency. Okay, for those that want to join agency, I'll be leaving the link to agency in my description box. Okay, so this is my level. You can level up by being active consistently. Okay, so this is all about Niki life for those of you that want to join Niki life. And if you have any other question, you can recharge to this place where it says recharge. You can use your bin, your income. You can use your income right now, like this 2000, and exchange it to your coins. Okay, but I don't want to exchange my bin to coins. So if I'm should tap on withdraw, you see the bins I've made so far is $0.21. So when it gets to 10,000 bins, 10,000 bins in this app is $1. So but when it gets to the minimum withdrawal is $20. So when you get to $20, you can withdraw your money. Or when you get to 10 USD, that is $10, you can withdraw your money. So as you can see, each 10,000 bins you make from this app is basically $1. So you have to work hard in order for you to get at least 5,000 or 10,000 every single day in order for you to make money every week. Okay, so this is all about this app. So if you have questions, please let me know in the comment section and I will reply you. Thanks.